afternoon, good day. We're doing clothes, a lot of clothes, a lot of folding. Hi guys. You see, it's very difficult to earn money. So, sa mga OFW families, please be careful to spend money. It's not easy. See, even though I'm inside the house, but I'm wearing hot and have 2 cardigans because we don't have a heater. See? Oh. Nag-enjoy lang kasi kung hindi mo i-enjoyin, ay maboboard ka sa dami ng tiklopin na ito. Diba? Oh. No? Oh. Okay? That's it. Then, you can see after the end of the day, parang yan lang ang gagawin mo ah. Ha?
Bye-bye na.
Bye-bye na.